Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we have to unbox this stereo removal tools. I got it from Aliexpress. You can find the link below if you want to order one. So this one is for multiple car makers, so you will see that in a moment. So there you have it, guys. It is 20 pieces radio removal tool set, so it is for different car makers and different products of radio. So Blaupunkt is, for example, they are the company who produced radios. So you have different car companies like Skoda, BMW, Volkswagen, Audi, etc. So I will show you, like, if you want to remove your CD player or your navigation system from central console, you can just use these type of keys. So as you can see, they are metal here and here, they are protected so not to damage your skin. So let's go and try how this works on the Audi. So let's just see, are these the same? Yes, they are the same. So if you need, for example, 4 pieces to put in once, that is usually for navigation system, you have the 4 pieces here. So let's see how it works on Audi and are they good. Okay, here we are in Audi A4 and we'll try these keys for Audi. So we'll pick up these 4 are for Audi. So for this one we need only 2. You put one here and one here. They look like this. And this flat side, you go outside the CD player, and this one also like that. So you just put them until they clicks. Okay, so when you put them like that, you can just put it outside with these keys. Go a little bit back and forward and that's it. And then you have just to remove this jack here. And that's all. So now you have it outside. You can see how this jack looks. So when you want to pull out your key, just hold this, push it back a little bit, and then take your key outside. And the other one the same, you push it here, and then you can take out your key. So here we have these keys for Audi. So you put this flat side outside the stereo box, and in this case we need 4, so I already have these 2 here, and these 2 here I will put. So you put them inside until they click. Like this, and this one here also. Okay, so when you have all 4 of them, now you can try to pull, and you can see it goes outside. And you can remove it completely. So you can see this one is pretty much big. So I will show you how to remove then the keys. So you have these here, and you just click them back when you want to click them back, and you can get your key outside. So that's the whole procedure for the stereo, to remove the stereo from your car using these keys. So that's all for today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.